Hello, everybody. I don't think that many of you think of IBM when it comes to containers, but IBM actually does a lot in that space. And I want to introduce one of IBM's, well, the first one in 30 years actually, own completely from scratch built tools, IBM Concert. What I want to ask you is, how do you measure your resilience, especially in containerized environments? How we do it? Well, we have our rock stars that know everything. I would assume half of this room falls in that category. Those people have a lot of experience. And they solve problems using the world's best indicator, their gut feeling. And they do that in meetings. Meetings are great. We all love meetings. In those meetings, we use our observability tooling, or monitoring, or logs to identify what needs to be done. So we talk about what needs to be done in meetings. And those meetings produce very beautiful things, PowerPoint slides. The PowerPoint slides are discussed at that high levels first. They are being discussed, and our DevOps people, our friends in SRE, come up with meetings. Because that's what you do, right? You sit there, you learn. You learn about things, and I guarantee you, I was in a lot of them, it's like, why is this not an email? But we get emails, that's great, because when you had these meetings about how you measure resilience, and the rock stars made up, this is how you should do it, we get down to tasks. And those tasks are recorded in the world's most important and most well-maintained database, Excel. And what do we with Excel files? You guessed it right. We have meetings about them. And when we have those meetings, we get our tasks, we start to work. And when we start working, we have a cost explosion. And what does a cost explosion result in? More meetings. So let me introduce you very briefly to IBM's Concert. IBM Concert is, we call it automated IT resilience. It's an ability to understand, measure, assess, and compare your current state of everything deployed in the hybrid cloud. And when IBM talks about the hybrid cloud, you should think of from the mainframe, yes, we still do that, from the mainframe to the mobile device, because we do that too. Everything in between. And the one thing that unites it all, what we have seen over the last few years especially, is everything gets containerized. And everything needs to be operated by people like you and me, but more like you. Because I'm the one who makes those ideas and say, hey, do it, not the one who does it. I'm lazy. So Concert is a very simple tool. It compares your current state with your target state and tells you, A, what would it recommend based on your playbooks, based on your experience? Can we take that gut feeling and experience of our rock stars and algorithmically map it? Using AI, using algorithms, using machine learning. When we say AI, it doesn't need to be Gen AI every single time. The idea is, can we increase efficiency of you? Making sure that you focus on the things that are fun to do, like coding, looking at problems, understanding, instead of, oh, I have a bureaucracy and there is like form 95.8 that I need to fill out because otherwise my software is not compliant. Let's take all of that away. And that's the core concept behind Concert. We are integrating with, We are integrating with a lot of tools and many more. We have a 3-day SLA to add any new tool that you have in your environment that you're interested in. And very IBM atypical, this product is also available in a freemium version. So you can test it out, you can try it out, and you can learn about the things you didn't know about what you are doing. With that, thank you very much for being here at KubeCon, especially at Platform Developer Day. And if you are more interested in what IBM does in this space, because we are not well known necessarily, well, as a company we are, but not here, and we do more than just having meetings, but we are just outside, and if you have questions, I'm more than happy with my colleagues to answer them. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful week here in Atlanta.